I have these bird deterrents here. This is the second set I purchased. So I have this battle with these birds in my gazebo. These discs immediately look sleek and sturdy. So I like that they're mirrored and they're eye-catching. So I hung them around the gazebo to get these birds to stop infiltrating my space. And I really like that they have this 360 hook. So when they hang, they swivel, which is really nice. There's a plastic coating on here you have to peel off. They are durable and they're made from stainless steel. Very, very nice. You have to peel the coating off, and if each one has 3 discs, and if you want to make them longer, they have the hole here. You can combine them, which is nice. They feel solid. I like the fact that they are customizable, so you can choose your length of layout, basically, so to speak. But these reflectors are smart. They're a low maintenance way to keep those birds off the patios, the railings, or the garden beds. I have them on my gazebo, and so I bought this second pack because I just thought I needed more. And so far, so good. I am very excited. And you know what? They do look decorative while doing their jobs. So basically, if you are dealing with bird poop or birds pecking at your property, I would definitely give these a shot. I recommend.